Hi guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the AirPods Pro with a wireless charging case. So this is the box here, and let's see what is inside. Now if you buy an authentic original iPod or the AirPod Pro, this is what it looks like. It has a wrapping outside. There is a tab right here that you can pull down to open the case like so, and then all the way around just like so, and here we can unwrap the outside. Okay, so once that is unwrapped, we can open it. Now you can see with the original box there is an embossed earphone at the top here, so you can see there is an emboss right here. So the box should have an embossed earphone. If the box is kind of flat, then that means you may not be getting the genuine one. Okay, so let's see what's inside. So at the top there is a booklet, and inside here you got other booklets. So let's leave it to the side for now, and we can pull this one up, and this is the AirPod Pro right in here. Again, within this there is also a grab, so we can ungrab it and pull out the AirPods. So at the back here there is kind of like a metal contact, probably used for wireless charging perhaps, so we'll find out. And over here there are silicone pads, so let's have a look at this one. So it shows here this silicone ear tips should have different size. So you can see they are small, then there is also a larger size, and I guess in here there is also another one already. It's quite windy, sorry. And in here there should be a medium size already, so let's take it out of the box. So you can see here this one is a little bit slightly larger than the small and smaller than the larger. This must be the medium size. So in here is the two AirPods. So this is the Pro. So you can see this with this version, it is a little bit shorter down here compared to the previous model. And you can also charge this case wirelessly. Out of the box, these already have some power on. You can see the lights start flashing. So that's inside the box. Then there is also a charging cable right here. There is a charge cable, but there is no charger, so you have to purchase your own charger with this one. Now what is unique with this upgrade from the previous model is that it has an active noise cancellation with amazing sound quality, with adaptive EQ or equalizer, and it's also got sweat and water resistance IPX4. So that means if you go out in the rain, if you sweat and your sweat go around here, it will resist and stop your earphone from stop working. Now setting up your AirPod Pro should be a seamless process with your iPhone. So here I'm going to turn on my iPhone, and if I just open this one, you can see on my iPhone it automatically detects AirPods Pro, and then I can tap on connect, and then it will try to work. So because I closed the case, then it just closed it. It shows here on my AirPods I have 46% charge already out of the box, and on the case there is 23% charge. So after unboxing you should be able to use it straight away. The case keep closing, sorry. So if I tap on settings, if I go down to Bluetooth, you can see it's already connected automatically. I do not have to do anything. And if I tap on the information button, then you can see in here I've got the name of the AirPods. I can rename it if I wanted to. So if you want, you can rename it. You can rename it up here. In the noise control, you can choose to easily switch on noise cancellation or off, or you can choose transparency, so that's your choice. As you can see, choosing noise cancellation, so let me see, so here we can choose transparency or off. So place both earphones in your ear, so I need to place it into my ear before I can use that noise cancellation. So if I take it out of the box, or out of the case, sorry, and then if I turn on noise cancellation, it is really excellent. When I turn it on, immediately I can feel like I don't hear a lot of the sound around me, even though I know there's quite a lot of wind right now. It's quite noisy, but the noise cancellation do an excellent job cancelling out my surrounding sound. Ideally, this is a good feature when you are in a bus or on a train, gone to work or from work. You can turn this feature on, and that will block out other people from talking to you or trying to chat you up, and you can just listen to your own music and be in your own world. So down here you got the left and right function. So press and hold onto your earpods. So you can control what you do when you press on the left side of your earpods. Noise control, or turn on Siri. Noise control we can use to control noise cancellation, block out external sounds, transparency, let in internal sound, external sounds, and turn off noise cancellation and transparency. So with transparency, you can listening to music as well as stay aware of the sound in your surrounding environment. So for example, if you are at home and you are looking after your kid, your child, you can simply turn on transparency so that you can hear if they are crying, then you can give them the attention they need. There is also a function, ear tip fit test, and it allows you to check the fit of the AirPods ear tips to determine which size provides the best seal and acoustic performance. There is also an auto ear detection, so you can turn this feature on or off. Microphone, you can turn a microphone, automatically switch your AirPods to always left AirPod, always right AirPod. Then here you got the model name, model number, serial number, and version. And you can also disconnect or forget this device. Now there are tons of high tech built into this earphone. You got the active noise cancellation, transparency mode, adaptive EQ. You got the custom built high excursion output driver, and spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. So that's just the audio technologies, and then there's a bunch of sensors around here. If you look carefully, you can see there are sensors around the earpods. Down here you got dual beam forming microphones, inward facing microphone. So there are grills on this microphone here, allowing it to detect incoming sound and other movements around you with sensors. So you got motion detection, speech detecting, and also force sensor. So you can charge up the case with a standard cable like this. You can also charge it with a QI charger, so you can see if I place it on, it will start charging. So I'm just going to check on my iPhone to see if it shows any information or not. So let me see if it shows any information that this is being charged. So there's no information to show that it is being charged right now, but it is charging. You can see my QI charger works. It shows that it is now charging. Okay, I also have a MagSafe wireless charger right here, and unfortunately it does not work with a MagSafe, only the Qi charger, as you can see right here. When the AirPods is fully charged, you can have up to 4.5 hours of listening time, and with a single charge, and up to 5 hours with active noise cancellation and transparency mode turned off. Now, if you also use it to talk on the phone, you can have up to 3.5 hours of talk time. And if your AirPods is fully charged with the case fully charged, you can have up to 24 hours of listening time and more than 18 hours of talk time. Now, how long does it take to charge up your AirPods if it run out of battery and you need to place it in the case? So 5 minutes in the case will allow you up to 1 hour of listening time or around 1 hour of talk time. So if you run out, you can just place it in here for 5 minutes and then you can take it out and you can start to talk again for another hour. Now, to use this AirPod with your iPhone, you need to have at least the lowest model is the iPhone SE first generation. If you have an iPhone 4 or iPhone 5, 5C or 5S, it will not work. It will not be compatible. So you need to have at least iPhone SE, and then you got iPhone 6S, 7, and onwards to the latest model of iPhone. Okay, so what does it really sound like? I'm going to test it out. Let's put it onto my ear, and we give it a test to see what it sounds like. Okay, I have tested it out, and I have to say it sounds so good. The bass is just perfect. The sound is just right. It can be loud if you turn on the sound to the maximum. It's quite loud, but loud as in good sound, not loud with distortion. The sound is very clear and very stable. So it is a very excellent build quality AirPods. I think it's worth the money. It's quite expensive, but it's definitely worth the money. If you try it out, if you buy it, and then if you test it out, you will understand what I mean. It's really hard to tell you what it sounds like until you actually test it. It's really good. It is a really immersive sound experience with the Apple AirPods. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.